So here's my day off. A little bit of a honeydew, I guess. Can't keep the house clean without it, so check this out. Yep, you've all seen them. I got this one cleaned out. This is what they all looked like. You know, house full of girls. My goodness. Got the utility knife out. They all these vacuums. I don't know if all of them do, I guess. This one does. But it's got a little groove right there. You just run that knife right through there and it cuts all that hair right out. Yeah, theoretically. Anyway, I have to wash my hands after this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so.
Here was real fun is, huh? Most of it comes out first time. Oh yeah, gross. And this is where it's no fun. Stuck underneath the little runner here. Support, brace, whatever you want to call it. There, got a good chunk of it. Oh yeah. Alright, a lot cleaner than it used to be. Woo-wee. Well, that would just give that work. Get that bun off. We'll be in good shape.
So that's my day off project. How about that, huh?